Within this episode of the Microsoft Teams Tips playlist, we're going to be talking about the praise and recognition feature within inside of Microsoft Teams. So whilst we're all kind of working remotely or hybrid, it can be even more challenging to give recognition to our team members. Now, Microsoft Teams has this really cool feature called the praise feature, which will give visual recognition to a team member within a grouping. So let's take a look. Now, the praise feature can actually be accessed directly from inside of a conversation with inside of your team. So I'm inside of my project team, inside the general channel, and I'm going to give praise to a team member. Now, the way that I do this is I can either reply with praise to something that someone's posted. So maybe it's they've posted something, a really good piece of work, and you want to praise them. Or maybe something's happened sort of within a meeting or somewhere elsewhere that maybe other team members won't be aware of. And you're wanting to make that sort of aware to everybody that you're praising them in a public space. So to do this, we click on this new conversation button. And you can see down here, we've got this praise button, which looks like a little award sticker. So if you click on that, it will open up the praise options. Now, what this will do is it will actually assign a badge to that particular colleague. So what we can do is we can select our badges by clicking on this drop down here, and then we can see we've got things like giving a badge for something that's awesome, courage, optimism, inclusive, or just a thank you. As you can see, there's a whole host of other things inside of here as well, so it's worth just having a little read through so you're aware of all the different options before you go ahead and give your praise. So maybe it's just a thank you. So I'm going to send a thank you, and I can put a little note in here and say, thanks for your help on the meeting this morning, or whatever it is. You can then say who it's going to send it to. So if you start typing in the name of that person, you'll see that team member appear. So I'm going to select that team member, and then I'm going to click on preview to see what this is going to look like. So it will create almost like a little e-card, which is going to be posted inside of our team. So I can see what this looks like. Then once I'm happy with that, I can click on send, and that's then going to post my praise directly into my Microsoft team. And it's going to tag that individual, that team member, so they're going to be aware of it. But I could also go in and I could tag in other team members, or if you remember into the other video that we've previously discussed about tags, you can also type in the name of the team. So I'm currently inside of the name of Project X, so I can say, I might want to say, George has done a really good job today. Please say thanks for his help or something like that. So you can put a little message in here. Everyone in the team gets notified here, and then people might come in and start replying and saying, great job, good work, putting in little smiley faces and things like that. And that all gives that kind of virtual pat on the back, which is something that can be quite challenging when everyone's working remotely or in this hybrid state where not all team members are going to be together at the same time. I hope you found that video interesting and useful. If you did, please do like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any other thoughts or comments around how you use Microsoft Teams to give praise and recognition to your team members, then please use the comments box below to let me know.